Live your passion.
You can be anything you want. You can achieve it if you just believe. Take you to a place you can be yourself. Live your passion. Live your passion.
Leather technicians are highly skilled craftspeople who design, manipulate and custom animal hides in producing and repairing consumer goods like handbags, wallets, luggage, shoes, belts and saddles. Their duties include obtaining raw leather, creating patterns and designs, manufacturing items and selling them through a shop, craft fair, trade show or online marketplace. Leather technicians are also technically inclined and possess physical fitness, stamina and excellent hand-eye coordination skills. The craft requires of individuals to be both artistic and industrious, requiring strength and finesse. Patience, persistence, adaptability, precision and dexterity to work with hand tools are other important traits good leather workers possess. Training courses typically cover aspects such as design, leatherwork materials, tools, seams, wet molding and other methods and techniques. Many leather workers start out doing the craft as a hobby. Others typically benefited from on-the-job training and apprenticeships in the form of shadowing a more seasoned craft person, allowing them to learn important and advanced techniques and mastering tools and equipment. Leather tradesmen work mainly indoors in workshops and factories. Day-to-day tasks include hand or machine sewing and product assembly, trimming and cutting leather and quality checking finished leather goods. Depending on the specific trade, working conditions are not excessively dirty. However, preparing animal hides involves processes with chemicals that produce offensive odors, so tanning factories are usually in isolated areas. Conditions can be noisy, work can be repetitive, and deadlines have to be met. Protective clothing is important. A leather craft person can be employed by a large, medium, small or micro-sized business. They can be based in a design studio, workshop or on a factory production line, depending on the size of the business. Many employers offer overtime, bonuses or piece rate in order to meet deadlines. Some leather workers become self-employed and their income can vary greatly based on the level of skill and customer demand. You too can live your passion and become a leather technician. If you possess creative ability, precision and an eye for detail, you may just excel in this age-old creative craft. This insert is brought to you by the Namibia Training Authority. Visit our website at www.nta.com.na to learn about other technical and vocational career options.